Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
If you make zero, there is something called input tax credit. They will not get the input tax credit which goes to the manufacturing of that product. So instead of prices coming down, they will have to load it to the price of the product, and with that mechanism, and prices on the contrary will go higher. So since it is COVID related, we have to get the people out of the pandemic. We have priced it in the GST Council in such a way to offer relief to the patient. The end person receiving it gets the benefit. Now there was another issue. They said, why not vaccine, make it zero tax? When 75% of the vaccines are going to be purchased by the central government and given to the state, and almost 90% where the central government or state governments are purchasing it, so tax will go back to the government only. So it makes no sense lowering it.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.